Hello, it's early in the morning. We're all going to make a video about his dressing, and it's going to be called Robert uses the key to get out of the handcuffs.
I'm doing that for this. I'm using it as the
And I have the
description
key to unlock. And I'm handcuffed. I kicked him down. Now it's time for the final action. Unlock myself with the key. And I think I hit him in the wee-wee. I think I hit him in the private. Yeah, it looks like I hit him in the private. Almost. I think I'm going to get this in a little while. The key. In the open spot.
Tell me when to stop it.
Okay. Almost got it. Don't stop it. Oh no, you're supposed to be still on the ground. You're supposed to get up and think of more seconds. 2, 1, 0. Oh no, yellow. Now kick him back down. And he helped me get out of the handcuffs.
I hope I didn't break them.
Look. He helped me get them out of the handcuffs.
Okay, now I'm gonna try. This time I'm gonna.
No, you have to put it back on me. Oh no,
Yeah.
he's gonna get me again.
This time I'm gonna take him down while I do it.
No, do it. Just do it.
Okay. Only I can operate the key. I know how to do it.
Who the fuck? Stay down. You're supposed to stay down.
Okay, I think that's enough for the video.
No, I got this. Both of fuck. Stop laughing. Hey, we won't ever finish this if you keep kicking me.
Spread your feet out. Spread your feet out.
Stop it.
Spread them out. Let me check you for weapons.
Ow, I have no weapons.
Spread your feet.
He thought I have weapons.
I'm just checking him for weapons.
Stop that. I'm not getting off of you. Stop. I'm never getting off of you.
Let's
And
call
you
the
keep
bad
pushing-
parts out of it. I'm gonna keep this as a long video.
Yep, and it's 4:50. So it better be 5 minutes.
Okay, that's enough.
No, it isn't.
Are you still? How long will it take you to get out of the handcuffs?
I don't know. You have to find out.
Uh, uh.
Ow! Ow! Stop! The mom. No, it's called Robin gets out of handcuffs with the key, so you can't. No.
I have to.
No, you can't. Ow! Stop! Stop! I'm supposed to get out of the handcuffs.
Sorry.
That's why it's
Hey,
called
let's just
gets
delete
out
it.
of the
How about we just delete it?
handcuffs with the key.
How about we just delete it? What about Sarah?
No. That's 6 minutes. Stop. Stop it. You're going to wake everyone up.
Ow! Ugh.
Kick me one more time and you're going to make me bust the TV and bust my head. One more time.
Let me help you with the hole.
Nope.
Got it.
Look, I got out of one of the handcuffs.
Yeah, you got one.
And I have the key. He fell for a trick. And now let's see if I can get this other part opened. Handcuffs on.